To save battery life in the Google Pixel 9 Pro or Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, the first thing is we will open up settings. Then we're going to select the apps option. So the first thing you need to know is if you have notifications on for apps, it checks the servers of Google every single second, literally, for that notification. And so that's why you may notice when you first get the phone and nothing's installed, the battery life is great. You leave the phone off for 2 days and it barely drops battery. But now with the notifications, you're draining. So we'll look for an app with the notifications, which we don't want. And under the notifications permissions here, we'll turn this one off entirely. If your notifications are on, you need them on, well, you may not need them for everything. So you can see inside of the Google Chrome, I have 6 notification options here. Let's say I just want notifications for downloads. Well, then I can turn these off like that. Let's say you're in the X app or Twitter app. You just want notifications for when your followers or following tweets. Well, then you leave that on, but you'll find there'll be a lot of junk that you can turn off here. That will immediately save a lot of battery life. If we head back into the app info page and we scroll down, we have this app battery usage screen. And so if you have allow background usage on, so your app's in the background, but it can still drain battery even though you're not using it. So you may want to turn this one off instead of having it on. If you do leave it on, with some applications, if you need important critical notifications, you may want to set this to unrestricted, but remember, it's going to drain more battery if you use that. Once you've gone through all of your apps here, the final thing you can do is if you head to your battery settings, and then we go to the battery saver, and so you have standard battery saver, extreme battery saver. I'd recommend the standard battery saver, and once this one is on, it turns on dark mode. When dark mode is on, anything that's black means the screen's actually off, so that helps with battery life, and makes the phone feel a little bit laggy. If you notice it, you notice it. If not, you won't notice it, but that will just save the battery life and it will make the phone last longer. But notifications and the battery optimization inside the settings is the things you really need to change.